Welcome to another edition of our Elite Fire software tutorial series. In this video, I will be explaining the Elite software interface. After opening our software, there is a pop-up for update, which I said no. So actually, Elite developers tries to make their software to be lucid. So by following through this tip, you ought to be able to walk through your project. But to make this thing easier, as we all know that understanding a software interface is the first step in handling a program efficiently. So for simplicity, Elite interface can be divided into three sections. We have the menu bar, which comprises of the file, edit, project, report, tool, window, and help. And likewise, we also have the toolbar, which is directly beneath the menu bar. So we have the new, open, close, save, general project data, enter, edit, which I will soon elucidate the entire panel. And finally, for the Elite software interface is the Project Explorer here. And as we all know what Project Explorer does, we can use it to access our project in case we're having some projects already. So I'm having a sample project here, likewise a trying project here. Lest I forget, Elite software project is .fiw. Penultimately, one more thing I would like to chip in here is that most Elite functions can be accessed by right clicking. For instance, now right clicking here, you need to be conversant with right clicking while using the software. And finally, we will be starting by creating a new project, which we can actually use the command Ctrl+N, Ctrl+New, or probably we can access it through our file here, new, or you can even come over here. So let's just follow any of the three options in creating a new project. So I'm creating a new project. In creating a new project, you need to give the project a title: tutorial project. So the project is designed by Habib, engineer Habib. Oh, sorry, I'm popularly called Engineer Tunde. So Engineer Tunde. So you give the project a date. Today is October 27, 2020. So after then, code reference, let's call it TP01 because it's a tutorial project 01. Approving agency, here in our country is the FCDA. So you can write a comment if you are to include a comment, and after then you proceed to the client data. So let's assume our client to be Sheraton. Let's ostracize all the phone number and the address. So let's proceed to the company data. So our company data, let's assume our company to be GEL Consult, phone number 2. So let's proceed to the building data. Building name, Sheraton Hotel. Options. So we'll now proceed to the system data in our next video. Keep tuned.